Hey, what's up guys, it's JC. So I'm back, finally back. It's been almost 2 months now, way too long since I last uploaded a video, but this time I'm back. I'm going to be uploading videos much more often, hopefully trying to get at least one video a week for you guys, giving you updates, some things that I learned along the way while I'm prepping for my Cisco exam, which I'm planning to take very soon, hopefully by the end of this month or the beginning of July, which is pretty soon. So I'm kind of picking up speed and studying as much as possible, putting in those hours to make sure that I'm ready and passing that exam on the first try, hopefully, you know? So what this video really is, it's pretty much just an update for you guys. I'm giving you guys an update on what I'm using, what I'm doing, you know, to prep for this exam, for the Cisco test. I wanted to show you guys the setup that I have. It's nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, but something that gets the job done. And that's all we need, right? So currently, what I'm using is BOSON software, CBT Nuggets, and I have some physical equipment that I got pretty cheap on eBay. I'll be making a video on that, on how you go about finding the right equipment, the right price, and also I'll be making a video on some other things. I've been making a whole bunch of videos for you guys. Just stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you want to see. But yeah, just stay tuned and enjoy. Oh, so I did forget to mention one thing, and it was the ANKI application that I've been using. It's a really cool application through which you create flashcards that you can use on your computer. It's pretty easy to use. You create these flashcards and you study. Like I always say, just keep studying. But it's really cool. I recommend it. I'll include the link down below in the info section, along with everything else that I've been using and everything I mentioned in the video. So just pay attention to that. You'll find everything there.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a few of the resources that I've been using. First things first, I'm going to show you the ANKI application. It's a cool little application you download straight to your computer. I first already mentioned through the Jeremy IT channel that I mentioned beforehand. I already have some flashcards already pre-installed. I got it from his channel. He creates flashcards for every video he makes, so it's really cool. As you follow along through his course, he provides you with these flashcards that you can use. Application is cool. You can upload your own set of flashcards from, you know, wherever you find them. You find them from Reddit, you find them from a different YouTube channel. Just upload them yourselves. It also gives you stats so you can see how you did, what you did, and you can also link your account and sync the flashcards that you have from a previous account that you had or something you have online. You know, it's pretty cool. So next up we have the BOSON software. This is the NetSim network simulator. It's a little bit more on the expensive side for $179, but there is a discount for it. Every now and then you'll find a discount code, promotional code, whatever you call it. But right now it's at $179 and you can save 15% like at any given time if you do have the code. I provided the code in this clip so you can see, and if you want to buy it, you purchase it, I'll write it down in the description as well for you. But for $179, I think it's still a great value. You have a bunch of labs you can just go over and over, and they're yours. You know, it never hurts to know these labs and get to know them well, because they are things that you will need when you are working in the field, I believe. So it's great. So you just saw the whole list of labs that they offer for the course. You also have the option of trying out the demo or buying it straight out. And here's the code, the SAVE15F. You apply that code and you save 15% off. You know, it's always nice to save something. It might not be a lot, but you know, it's better than paying the full price. Now on to CBT Nuggets, my favorite video training. I've tried out a whole bunch of other video training websites. I've tried out IT Pro TV. I've tried out Test Out. Although Test Out is great, it wasn't really offering the course that I wanted at the time. So CBT Nuggets was offering it, and the instructors are great. The videos are entertaining, they keep you up, and it's pretty easy to get through, unlike other video training courses, and I would totally recommend it. You have a bunch of other courses you can also access if you're interested in Microsoft. If you already passed your CCNA and you want to try on, you know, to get your CCNP, it's also there. You have a bunch of courses available to you, so it's great. It's $59 per month. You also have the option of paying the annual fee if you prefer, but I opted for the monthly fee. This is a DB9 serial adapter to a console cable. I got this along with a 2960 switch and a 1921 Cisco router. I'll be making a longer, more in-depth video on that.
Now, currently, for all the equipment and software that I'm using, I currently study 2 to 3 hours daily. I do a little more on the weekend, maybe about 4 or 5 hours. I try to put in as much as I can on the weekend, to get as much out of it as possible so I can be ready for that test when it does come, which I said is coming really soon, and I'll let you guys know when I'm taking the test as well. So I do a little bit of both. I do video training and labbing within the day. I feel like doing both kind of solidifies whatever it is I do in the video training as it does in my labbing. This is the best technique that works for me, and it gets it to stick in my head for when I do take the exam. And for me, there is no other way. This might work for you, it might not. You might be someone who does like to read from the books, which I kind of do. I do some of that, but I don't generally go about studying that way, So my recommendation is to find what works best for you. If it's a combination of reading, labbing, and video training, then do that. If it's just video training and labbing, then just do that. But find something that works for you, stick with it, run with it, because you're the one that's taking the exam, and you have to find something that you're comfortable with and that gets you to where you want to get to, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like I said, comment, like. Stay tuned for more videos coming out pretty soon. I'm trying to get a video out once a week of everything I do, I learn, I want to share with you guys. Even if it's not the best information, I'll still let you guys know, because I want this to be a place where we can both learn together. Whatever I learn, I want to share with you guys. If you guys know something, I want it to be shared with me. It's just I want it to feel more like a community, a place where we can share this information and kind of grow together and go to where we want to go to. So please subscribe, like, comment, and I hope you enjoyed the video.